Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is first class. It is a home for online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various maintenance and payment policies. If you are planning to locate, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or to view more details, description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, please tell us by commenting. If you have already stayed in this property, share your experience in the comment box. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.